it's your girl KJ back in effect. Gonna be working with crystals today. I'm gonna show you how to make not this specific style, but just a pendant out of your crystals. This one is a shungite. I call it shugnite to remember what it's called. These two elephants, funny story. I got more from him as well, but when I went to California last year, there was a guy that was selling crystals out of his truck on Venice Beach, and he didn't really know what anything was. He was like, "Oh, I think this is a blah blah blah. It's good for strength and courage and wisdom," and he will say that about everything that he picked up. These two, the one on the left is a golden sunstone. The one on the right is a Dalmatian jasper. Now these two, the blue looking one, that's an angelite. The one on the other side, I also got that from him. He said it could be a cherry quartz. I googled it, seemed about right, so I'm gonna stick with that. This one, I also got it from that man as well. I don't know what that is either. If y'all could tell me, I'm gonna bring it a little closer so y'all can see once it focuses a little bit. Ooh, there we go. I don't know what that is. If y'all could tell me, please do tell. And then I have this one. This one is a citrine point. I'm so sorry if you can hear a dog crying in the background. That's Chewy. But this is the crystal we're going to be working on today. We're going to use some string. I like to use wax cord. I'm going to use that light brown color at the top. And I got these necklaces, like it's a pack of 6. I got it from Michael's. I got the string from Michael's too. Those are like it's like a silicone material, so, and it pops open. It's pretty secure. I was a little concerned. I was like, this looks easily poppable, but it's actually really secure. And I like it because it's like it's easy to clean. It's you could leave it on. You don't have to. You see, it's pretty sturdy. So this is what the crystal's looking like. 360 aerial view. So you're gonna start off with a knot. I used 3 strings. I made sure they were all equal. It doesn't need to be too long. I just stretched it like the width of my arms, if that makes sense. Arm to arm. Like if you would have put your hands up like you was on a cross, I guess, I just stretched it out that far out. And I did that 3 times. So in order to like show you guys, I would have done this on my hands. Like I wouldn't have taped it down if I was doing it myself, but just to show you guys, I did tape it down on the table to make it, more visible what I'm doing. So there's gonna be 3 strings. I'm sorry. There's gonna be 6 strings. And you're gonna start it off. We're gonna put the ones on the far outer edge out. I'm just gonna stop talking. It might make more sense if you watch it. But I'm pretty much just doing a cobra. If you're into like macrame and stuff like that, if you had them little strings, like back in the day, we used to play with strings and stuff. If I could find a picture, I'm gonna post it I'm gonna post it in a corner somewhere. But this is pretty much a cobra, and that's all you're doing the whole time for this technique. It's the cobra. I forgot to loop that little part in. But yeah, you just tighten it. You're gonna do that like a couple times, maybe like 4 times. You're gonna do this step 4 times. You're gonna alternate sides. Whichever side you started on, you're going to alternate it the next time you go, and you're gonna do that 4 times. And we're only worrying about the 4 in the middle for now. The 2 on the outside, we'll get to that shortly. I think it's better that I show you instead of explaining how to do this, because I suck at explaining stuff. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, if you do have questions, you could leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you, because I'm more of a visual learner. So I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let some nice music play. I might pop in here and there, but yeah, enjoy the video, guys. All the materials and everything that I used will be in the description box below. I would not recommend this specific brand of string. I will link one that's a little bit better, because this one, it fades. The one that I used fades. So yeah, I'll link everything down below of all the materials that you're gonna need. Alright, so this is the finished and final product. I looped it into the necklace, and you can interchange the stone that you like. You could wear more than one at once. Like right now I'm wearing the sunstone and my Dalmatian jasper. So much for watching, you guys. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on all my social medias down below if you're interested. No pressure. No pressure at all. If you want to, then go ahead. The link is down there. I don't want, of course, nobody to be here that don't want to be here. You know what I'm saying? I want you to want to be here. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye bye.